It's 12:57 p.m. I just got done. I pulled all the wires out, got everything cleaned up in the logic cabinet, as well as the power cabinet. I'm keeping my three-phase breakers, like I said, my reversing contactors to reverse the motor. And then this is a heater. It's a disconnect in case the motor overheats. They're not the most reliable, but I'm going to keep it in line for now. If I don't want to keep using it, then I can just disconnect the limit switch that goes through it. I'm going to keep my bus bar here. All these wires are stuff that I'm keeping. So this is power and signal to relays and the pressure control for the mister, and then also the way lube system. Over here, these black wires, cables, these are for the 3 XYZ servos, the encoder and tachometer signals. And then these 3 back behind here, that's the power to the armature on the servos. This is coming out. This is my next thing to come out. See, it comes up through here, comes around, and it's all this stuff for the CRT and the front panel. I definitely going to take out the CRT. I might try to keep the front panel and see if I can integrate the RS422 signal into Linux CNC. It's going to be pretty difficult to do that. I am keeping my inductors. I'm going to run all of my supply voltage through the inductors for X, Y, and Z. I'm going to do that just to help out any smoothing. If I need it. I might not. I can do it. They're free. They're here. I have these large contact relays and then some smaller, I think these are like 8-pin relays here. I'm keeping all that. This back plane already has some threaded holes in it, but this is where I'll mount just about everything. I'm going to try to keep the other cabinet here if I can fit my power supply along the back wall, my 3-phase motor starter. And then obviously I have single phase power that comes in, and I'll do a 3-phase motor starter. But the single phase power that comes in, I might do one of these legs as neutral, so I can have, 110. I'll come over here. I might keep one of these legs as neutral, so I'll do 110, 110 neutral. So I have my 220, and that will go into my 3-phase circuit. And then I can pull off the neutral and run and do any 120 power for any type of devices that I need. I know my power supply is 240. So that's it. It's 1 a.m. I'm going to call it a day, and I'm going to get back to it probably on Thursday. Have a good night.